Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Nothing is about to release the first open beta for Nothing Phone 1, which will be Nothing OS 2.5.1. Because recently they have released a new closed beta update, and on this update you get almost every new feature what Nothing Phone 2 have received with Nothing OS 2.5.1. So let's talk about the changes, what you get to see with this latest build of closed beta. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have my Nothing Phone 1, which I've already updated to the latest build. It was a very small update. Let me show you the screenshot. I manually installed it on my Nothing phone and the update size was around 44 MB. I was already running the first closed beta. Over that, the update size was just 44 MB. I'll also show you the change logs. First of all, let me show you the software information. It's still Nothing OS 2.5.1 beta 1, and if you scroll down and see the security patch update, which is 1st December 2023. And before talking about the changes, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now first let me show you the benchmark results. I actually noticed a little bit of improvements in the benchmarks and throttling. So let me show you the screenshot. So this was the test done before updating the device, wherein maximum CPU had throttle only 71%. But after updating the device, you can see maximum CPU throttle up to 92%. So there's a lot of improvements in the throttling part. Talking about the benchmark results, so using Geekbench application, single core scores were, before update I mean to say, that was 1061. After the update, you can see slight increase in the multi-core scores. So after this update, I think Nothing seems to be working on the performance part. Let's wait for the first open beta, which is about to release for Nothing Phone 1. For sure, last week of December, we'll get to see the first open beta for Nothing Phone 1. So if you guys have seen our first video of closed beta for Nothing Phone 1, they did mention that they will be adding the glyph timer under the glyph interface, but still I don't see the glyph progress bar option or the glyph timer option here. This is the second beta. I'm not sure whether that will make to Nothing Phone 1, but let's wait and see. If Nothing does that, it will be a great add-on. And if you guys have seen our previous video of Nothing Phone 2, where they released the stable build, you can see we got a lot of new widgets, and the same widgets are now available on Nothing Phone 1 also. So let me show you. Previously we had only 17 widgets under the Nothing widget section, but now there are 20 widgets present. So the new add-ons are media player, pedometer, and the screen time. And here I have set all the 3 new widgets. So this is the pedometer widget, which shows your daily steps along with 7 days of average, and towards the bottom side you also have the calendar. You can make changes accordingly, where you can set your daily goals. By default it is set to 8000. You can make changes. And this is the screen time widget, which will show you how much time you have used your device, and again it's a good add-on from Nothing. You can limit the daily usage. By default it is set to 6 hours 30 minutes, but you can make changes accordingly. And the last widget is music. For that to work, you need to play a music in the background. Here you can see the music widget in action. On the main homepage, you'll see the thumbnail of that particular song. If you swipe, you'll get more details about the song. Towards the right top corner, you have the app icon. So these are the new add-ons which you guys will see on Nothing Phone 1 with Nothing OS first open beta. Now if I show you the change logs, so this is only the new add-on what they have done. And if I show you the change logs of this latest build, which I have installed on my device, so these were the change logs in which they have improved the battery drain issues. So battery I'm not testing on the closed beta because not everyone will have access to closed beta builds. Battery backup and camera performance, everything will be included in the first open beta whenever they release. After that, they have done few fixes like resolved specific network connectivity issues, enhanced network operation functionalities, and fixed security and privacy related issues. So these are only the change logs what you get to see with the second closed beta. Along with that, you have all these new widgets. And one more thing guys, if you are not able to get the new widgets, make sure you update the application called Nothing Widget app on your device. If you use the search option, you won't get it in the Play Store, but once you install Nothing OS 2.5, make sure you check all the updates available for the system applications, because a lot of users are complaining that they did not receive the new widgets on their device. So just go to Play Store and make sure you update the Nothing Widgets app. And if you still face any issue or you don't get to see the update, let me know. I'll provide the APK file in the description below. So guys, this was all about the new build for Nothing Phone 1. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.